Today, I will demonstrate how to connect a flight controller to electronic speed controllers of different brands. The equipment we use includes a Dolphinrc 405 flight controller, a Dolphin 60 AESC, and a SpeedyB 50 ESC. These two ESCs have completely different wire sequences. First, we will connect the Dolphin flight controller and ESC. The corresponding wire sequence in order is: take out the 8-pin flat cable and identify the positive terminal of the flight controller. The positive terminal of the Dolphin flight controller is here. Connect to the flight controller, then you can directly connect it to the ESC to properly connect the rear wires. They must be connected in sequence. Power it on and check. A short circuit protection module can be added when powering on the device to prevent the flight controller from burning out. Power it on. Connecting our flight controller will be fine. Next, let's connect the Dolphinrc 405 flight controller to the SpeedyB ESC. Here are two methods: wire adjustment and soldering. Let's start with wire adjustment. First, we need to confirm the wire sequence of the ESC. The wire sequences are as follows. When doing this, pay attention to the positive terminal of the flight controller. Insert the 8-pin connector, and when connecting to the ESC, double-check the ESC's wire sequence. Then take a pair of tweezers to adjust the wires. Note that you only need to lift the wires slightly. Do not break them. After adjusting, take the ESC and align the direction of the connector to make cable routing easier. The connector is inserted this way, so we will wire it accordingly. The first wire is GND. Take the black wire that connects to the flight controller. It's important to note that when inserting the wire, there is a small pointed protrusion on the wire head, which should face backward to ensure a secure fit. Next, insert the wires into the cable in sequence according to the ESC's wire sequence. Once connected, it should look like this. Plug in the ESC, double-check the wire sequence, and then power it on to check. Great, the wiring is correct. Finally, let's use the soldering method. If direct plug-in is damaged or not supported, we need to solder the ESC. Step 1. Still connected to our flight controller. Again, pay attention to the flight controller's positive terminal. Cut off the other end of the cable and strip the insulation from the wire ends to facilitate tinning and soldering. Tin the wire ends. Tin the solder pads. After tinning is done, solder the wires in sequence according to the ESC's cable sequence. Once soldering is complete, still check the wire sequence. Connect the power supply and test it. It's okay. All circuits are working normally. That's all for today's tutorial. If you don't understand, you can watch it a few more times. See you next time.